is my honor to welcome each of you to campus today for the swearing in of Coastal Carolina University's third president, Dr. Michael T. Benson.
I, Michael T. Benson, do solemnly swear. These ceremonies are not about Michael Benson. They are about our graduating students and the inspiring trajectory of this amazing institution. That my family and I have a role as historical markers along this path is truly an honor.
We are fully confident that your energy, drive, love for learning, and strong belief in the transformative power of higher education will serve this institution and our students extremely well.
The trustees look forward to your constitutional leadership and working with you to shape the bright future of Coastal Carolina University.
Just as this gathering today is an inspiring cross-section of our community, the founding of this place was a collective effort by everybody. What happened here was the physical manifestation of a favorite quote of mine from George Washington Carver. Start where you are with what you have. Make something of it and never ever be satisfied.
During your nearly 12 months on campus, we have been impressed with the energy and kindness you bring to this university. From assisting with move-in to attending countless events, to your welcoming fist bumps and your selfies.
I'm confident you will enhance CCU's image and prestige, and in so doing, you will do the same for the city of Conway.
The founders started with what they had and made something of it. The implementation of their vision is all around us. Our task is to build upon that foundation and to never be satisfied.
I now proclaim you as duly installed President of Coastal Carolina University.
Thank you again for the singular honor, and go Chants.